buddy. Buddy scared me, dog. Buddy scared me. I thought it was a shark, nigga. Come on, buddy. Okay. I gotta say, buddy.
Hey.
She's on my shoulder, dog. That's tight, dog.
You saved the chicken lollipop.
I saved the dog.
You saved the chicken lollipop.
I saved the dog. Get it. Get it.
Buddy, come here. Come here. Come here, girl. We got the chicken lollipop.
I saved the dog from drowning, guys. I saved the dog from drowning.
We got the chicken lollipop, guys.
Do you when we roll it, roll it. Got the family and we golden. I'ma love you for life. Through the good times and the bad times, baby, I'ma love you for life. I'ma love you for life. Through the good times and the bad times, baby, I'ma love you for life. I'ma love you for life.
Good morning. Good morning. We are at our last day here at Ayanar Resort. I think that's how you say it, Ayanar. We've had a great time. We had a great time?
Amazing time.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So we're here on our last day celebrating Solomon's existence. I just had a wonderful conversation with the manager of the resort. She was very, very nice, very accommodating, guys. If you guys have a chance to check out the resort, please do. The rooms are nice, the resort is nice, the pool is nice. They could actually teach you how to snorkel here, snorkel, dive. What else? They have a diving pool. They have a diving pool that I think is like 20 feet. Oh, actually, the one I went to was 50 feet. But then they have the normal one, which is like 20 feet for you know, just normal people. So if you guys want to do that, then you guys could do that. But they have all the amenities here, guys. So please check them out. Food is delicious. Okay. And overall, we had a great time. All right. Morning.
Morning, morning.
Morning. Okay.
Morning. This place. Oh, mwah.
Okay, here, you can
Mwah.
Oh, and it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I ain't forget this time, see? Look, so cute. Look at you, looking so cute.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
She loves me. She loves Monica does.
Oh,
Monica does from what happened last night. Hello.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, again.
Hello.
No,
What do you look like?
I just
This place around is so beautiful. Oh,
Who's here? Let me go see. I'll see
I was just telling Jim.
Hello, guys. We're going kayaking. I'm gonna try to go down, even though it's gonna hurt my ears. Mom, I don't think no, too deep. Too deep. Whoa, they can
Can't see Saul out there. That's Saul out there. Oh shoot! Almost fell. You guys are racing? You about to crash into the?
To the shore.
To the shore? Well, you're not in the shore.
I told him.
We won. What happened?
Oh yeah, and the dog. And the dog.
Oh, you're 3 against 1. They got money. This is tiring in itself.
What? Oh, the kite.
Here, without letting the current too.
Oh look, there's fish right there. Right there.
Oh shoot, is that what they call lionfish?
No, that ain't no line.
poisonous fish still.
You need help up?
I think I can manage. I'm guessing I'm athletic.
Oh, okay. Nice.
That would have been bad if I fell, huh? For the block.
Are you tired?
Yeah, come on.
So what do you do? I'm not getting on there.
Why not? Oh, Joe DEVANCE can't swim. Dang, it's hot up here.
You gotta pour some water. It's probably, your shoes are probably hot too.
God, you're so hot too.
Dip it in the water. I'm about to go swimming in there. Yeah.
All right.
You gonna swim in there?
You the first black dude I know that can swim.
Going in? You going in?
Yeah, I'm about to jump in
First
there.
black dude I know that can swim.
You gonna swim?
Yeah.
Or we're going this?
No, I'm swimming.
Careful, that stuff breaks off. That's why I tied the knot.
What?
The backrest. You might just lean back one time. Hi, this is my brother Joe.
Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. It's better probably just to... It's deep though, right? Like deeper than me. I can swim myself, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Just throw it.
Shit.
What happened?
Paddle.
Yeah, right.
Look. Take a picture of this.
We gotta go in there. You want me to dive in there?
I'll dive in there and get it, bro.
Where is it? Is there coral? I mean, this thing? Coral? I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best to get it. Hold on, wait. Hold on, dog. Oh, dang, that was close, dog.
Bonnie, come here.
Oh shoot. Oh. Buddy scared me, dog. Buddy scared me. I thought it was a shark, nigga. Come on, buddy. Okay. I got straight body. He's on my shoulder, dog. That's tight, dog. Dog. I saved the dog.
You saved the chicken.
I saved the dog. Get it. Get the dog.
Come here. Come here. Come here, bro. You got the chicken
I
lollipop.
saved the dog from drowning, dog. I saved the dog from drowning.
You got the chicken lollipop, guys.
That's tight.
I'm gonna get her some food. Look at this.
Dog, I'm a hero. I'm a hero. I'm a hero. I saved two things. I saved the paddle and the dog. I saved the paddle. I might need to be saved too. I might need to be saved too. There's no sharks in here, nothing, I guess?
No,
There's no sharks?
Okay. There's lions.
Oh no, it's water though.
Or you
It's
can
water.
touch it down.
Oh, let me
Touch
see.
it down.
I could probably touch it if I flip out here. I touched it with the paddle. That's the face of a hero? Yeah. Just the face of a hero. INR's top notch, guys.
Joe, save them. They're drowning. They're drowning, bro. Go.
So just like that?
Just like that, player.
So what if you made two pages embedded in the pack? Shut up. Dog, don't play. Oh my gosh.
Dog, don't play.
about to jump out the water. You want to wear the goggles?
What?
You want to wear the goggles?
Yeah.
And you got the fog glove.
Come on, back. Come on, back. Go. Let it go. She's like, nope.
You're a hero. You're a real hero. Gabe did it again. See? Now, yeah, see, look at him. Look at him now. See, oh, no, I'm good. No, I'm good, Joe, I'm good. Oh, wow, that's crazy. I'm over here. KC, yeah. I took a picture. Yeah. Really? Right up out the water. I just lost the shit. Hi, subscribers. Hi, subscribers. Bye, subscribers. Bye, subscribers. All right, guys. I just want to give a special thanks to INR Resort here in Batangas. It's such a beautiful place. Thank you for hosting Saul's birthday. Thank you for hosting Mother's Day. Okay.
Happy Mother's Day. Oh, that's so
and
cute.
then birthday. See, mwah. See. All right, guys. So
Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there.
To all the wonderful moms out there, you guys are doing some motherly things. You guys are the best. So take care of your kids. You guys are the glue of the family. All right, guys. So thank you, INR. You guys check it out, okay?
I've had an amazing birthday. Thank you to all my friends and family that made it out here. We have a lot of great memories and footage from this beautiful place here. And that's a wrap. Peace.
I'ma love you for life.